Observing traffic regulations for safe driving, permitting others to pass. When a driver tries to pass you, think about what you can do to make it as simple as possible for them to complete the pass. Always remember that driving courteously benefits all other road users. Treat other drivers how you would like to be treated. When you notice another vehicle trying to pass you, 1. Don't quicken your pace. Unless you notice that the other motorist is having difficulty passing, you normally don't need to slow down. However, if no vehicles are trailing you closely, you could choose to slow down a little to make the pass even simpler. 2. Keep to your lane, please. Based on your speed and position, the other motorist will have determined if they can pass safely. Altering lanes could make it more difficult for them to pass, putting you both in risk. 3. Move to the side of your lane. If it is safe to do so, swerve to the far right of your lane to give the other vehicle greater room to make the pass and a better view of the road ahead. Never stop a passing vehicle. The safest move is always to cede the right of way and allow the pass if you see another driver trying to pass you or expressing their intent to do so. Any attempt to prevent the driver from passing you is exceedingly risky and may result in a collision. An accident may happen if you accelerate to stop someone from passing you because the passing driver might be compelled to stay in an oncoming lane. As they attempt to re-enter your lane, the passing driver could collide with your car. Because there is no longer enough room behind your car for them to turn around, the passing driver might be unable to cancel the maneuver. Even while you might be annoyed when another driver makes a risky or unnecessary pass, keep in mind that blocking it will only make the situation more hazardous for all drivers on the road, including you. Make room for oncoming traffic. When traffic and road conditions permit, you should reduce your speed to allow room for any vehicle attempting to pass you. If there are any vehicles behind you, be careful to alert them by pressing the brake pedal once to turn on your brake lights before squeezing into a stop. The driver who is trying to pass you can decide to cancel the pass and move back into your lane if they suddenly discover they don't have enough time to finish the maneuver. If this occurs, accelerate up a bit so they have room to pass behind your car. You might not always be able to move forward quickly enough to clear a space. To avoid an accident in these conditions, you should slow down and merge directly into the shoulder.